I'm Mr. Motsapi from Phakathi Secondary School, offering tutorials in accounting, helping the departmental program that has started on Friday. It will end tomorrow. So I was here as of yesterday, and I've already finished my lesson for today, and tomorrow is the last one. We've got the schools that I was teaching. There's two of them, AJ Mwelase and Sizagele, I think. Yes, it's a great opportunity. One is trying his best, of course, to make a contribution to the pass rate, matric pass rate, that will assist the schools and also the province at large, given that this subject is one of the subjects that is really having a decline in numbers. Because of that worry and that concern, that is why one is really offering his assistance in order to ensure that learners are interested in this subject, and we are not really losing numbers. Thank you very much.